achieve, 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 attain, 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 accomplish, 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 realize, 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 fulfill, 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 achieve. For example, she achieved her quarterly target of increasing sales by 20%. Attain. For example, after several years of experience, he finally attained the level of senior manager. Accomplish. For example, the development team accomplished the software upgrade ahead of the deadline. Realize. For example, we realized our goal of expanding into the Asian market last year. Fulfill. For example, she fulfilled her duties as project coordinator by successfully managing all project timelines.